Hi, and welcome to SpaceBreath. Today we're going to do 3 rounds of Wim Hof breathing, which is a very nice and effective breathwork for beginners. Our focus will be on the inhale to make sure that we're doing them as deeply as possible. First, we want to start to breathe into our tummy, and from there we expand the breath into our chest area to make sure that we're getting the most out of it. Our exhale will be quick and short, so more like a release. You don't need to fully exhale, it should sound more or less like the following. At the end of each round, we will do a breath hold on the exhale to bring our body into a relaxed state. After that, we will finish up the round with another short hold, this time on the inhale, to spread this energy throughout our body. You can breathe through your nose or your mouth, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Personally, I like to start with nose breathing and then switch to mouth breathing at some point to go a bit deeper into the practice. Alright, make yourself comfortable. If possible, maybe lie down, or if you prefer, seated is also fine. Let's get started with some deep inhales, tummy, chest, release in 3, 2, 1. Up to the chest and let go. Nice and deep breath, guys. Keep going. Tummy, chest, release. Tummy, chest, release. Okay, from here we have 10 more breaths before the first breath hold. Remember to deeply breathe in. Okay, 5 more from here. 4, 3, 2, and the last one, we fully inhale and we fully exhale, and we hold our breath on the exhale for 45 seconds. Try to fully relax your body. Maybe you still feel some tension in your shoulders, in your neck, or your head, maybe even in your jaw. Just try to use this moment and fully let go. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Fully inhale, and we hold our breath on the inhale this time for 15 more seconds. Try to squeeze your tummy a bit to get this energy throughout your body. Okay, exhale in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fully exhale. Nice work, guys. We start with round number 2. Get ready for some deep inhales again. Remember to breathe in your tummy first. And we start the round in 3, 2, 1. Remember to breathe in deeply. First into the tummy, then into your chest. Tingling feeling in your hands or in your face. It's completely fine. We're just breathing here. Try to relax. Okay, from here 10 more breaths until our next breath hold. Okay, 5 more breaths. 4, 3, 2, 1. And we fully inhale again. Exhale completely here, and we stay on the exhale for 1 minute and 15 seconds. Fully relax again, feel your body, maybe something feels different than before. More seconds to go from here. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Fully inhale again, and we hold on the inhale for 15 more seconds. Try to squeeze your tummy again. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fully exhale. Nice work, guys. Okay, we're moving into the final round now. Remember to take deep breaths, beginning with your tummy and filling up your chest. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Your rhythm steady in and out. Into your tummy, into the chest, and let go. Alright, we're getting into the final phase. 10 more breaths to go from here. 5 more breaths from here. 4, 3, 2, 1. And the last one, we fully inhale and we fully exhale again, and we hold our breath on the exhale for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Settle into the stillness. There's nothing to do, just be. seconds from here. 10 more from here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we fully inhale and we hold for 15 more seconds on the inhale. Remember to squeeze your tummy again. Get this energy up. And now we fully exhale again. Great work today, guys. Thank you for being present. I hope you enjoyed this session and feel calm and refreshed. Have a wonderful day, keep smiling and spread kindness wherever you go. See you soon.